The song Now Here by Red Rocks Worship from their album Things of Heaven is a really big song. We come in right off the bat with big riffing on the electric guitar. Now, there is only 2 electric guitars in the song, and so one of them is just playing kind of power chords. The other one is playing, all the main lead parts. And with our tone, we're really able to fill in the space that needs to be filled in. So you don't need that extra electric guitar. If you got one, great. Just have them follow the chord chart and you'll be fine. The acoustic guitar is capoed on the 4th fret and played like it's in the key of G. So whereas the electric guitar is not capoed. So make sure that you're looking at the right chart. If you're going to be looking at the chart, you can do the transposing there. Song's pretty straightforward. It's a lot of fun to play. So go ahead and tune up, watch the music video, and let's get started. We first come in with this big riff. We want all our overdrive on. Everything's kind of cranking. It sounds like this. The idea, I'm going to turn off my effects here so we can really hear what's happening. Now the song is in 6/8 time, and there's a little bit of a swing to it. So it's like a 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, and that's the feel of our riff here. And so what we're going to do is we're basically playing off of a B chord. Our pointer finger is going to be barring our E and our B string. And we're going to also have our middle finger on the 8th fret of the G. And we're going to hammer from that to the 9th fret. We're just going to go 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So hammering. Bouncing back and forth. Second time. Bring our pinky up and then repeat. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just kind of working that over and over, and then we finally finish with the bar that goes into the verse. Now you do that riff on the intros. You also do it on one of the choruses at the end. So just kind of keep an eye on where that happens. That's like the main riff of this song. So go ahead and give that a shot with the loop below. I did the loop over just the first intro, so you can kind of get the feel and the right amount of timing for that, and then you can apply it to the rest. Go ahead and give that a shot, and then let's go on to that next section. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.